Hi guys, today we are going to review open and closed syllables. Now what is a syllable again? Oh yeah, a syllable is a word or a part of a word with one vowel sound, just one vowel sound. So this syllable has one vowel sound and this syllable has one vowel sound. Now knowing the syllable type helps us know what the vowel says because our vowels can say several different sounds, okay? So right now we have an open and a closed syllable showing. A closed syllable is when there is something behind the vowel. And an open syllable is when there is nothing behind the vowel. In a closed syllable, the vowel says its short sound. The short sound of O is ah. So this O says ah. In an open syllable, when it's open, then the vowel sound says its name. It's open to say its name. And his name is O. So this O says O. See the difference? This O says ah, this O says O. Ready? Let's read them together. You got it? Okay. The open syllable, the O says O, and the word is go. Say it fast. Go. The word is go. Good. Now, let's make this a closed syllable word. Whoa. Look what we did. We just changed it. Now that it's a closed syllable word, the O has to say ah. It has to say its short sound. So now let's try again. Ready? Got. Say it fast. Got. Yeah, this is the word or syllable got. Now if I take that away, we have go. If I put it back, we have got. See the difference? Yeah, let's try another one. Are you ready? Okay. This is an open syllable, right? That's an open syllable. So the I says I. He says his name because it's open behind him. So we sound it out. Hi. Say it fast. Hi. Yeah, that's the word hi. But what if we put a consonant on the end and close the door? Door's closed. The door is closed. So now what does this syllable say? We know that our vowel is I. We know that it's closed off by this T, so it has to say its short sound, which is I. So ready? Let's sound it out. Hit. Say it fast. Hit. Hit, like I hit the ball. Yeah, so when we have it closed off, it says I, hit. When we take that away, it says hi. When we put it back, it says hit. See the difference? All right, let's do another one. Okay, let's do another example where we have both on the page at the same time so that you can compare and contrast, okay? Now we have two syllables or two words here. Each one of them has one vowel sound in them, and it's the letter E, but we don't know what sound that letter E is making yet until we find out about if it's open or closed. One of these is an open syllable and one of these is a closed syllable. Can you tell which one? Yeah, the one with the T behind it is closed. That means that E has to say eh, its short sound. But this one is open, so that E can say his name. It's open to say his name, and his name is E. All right, so let's sound out this first one at top. Ready? Me. Say it fast. Me. Exactly. And then what happens when we close it off and our vowel sound says eh now because it's closed? Let's sound it out. Met. Good. That's the word met. We met at the restaurant. You see the difference? You have me and met. Me and met. Open and closed. Good job. Let's try another one. Okay. Now let's see what we have. We have 2 syllables or 2 words, and each one has 1 vowel sound. Remember that each syllable has to have its own vowel sound. And this one has one, that one has one. They're both the letter O, but the letter O can make more than one sound. So what sound do we make? Well, we have to decide, is this an open syllable or a closed syllable? This one has the letter B behind it. Is it open or closed? Right, it's closed. It's a closed syllable. And that means that the O says its short sound, which is ah. Ah. What about this one? Is it open or closed? It's open. There's nothing there. So the letter O can say its O sound. O. All right, so let's read these words. Ready? Sound it out. So. Say it fast. So. Oh yeah, that's the word so. So what did you do this weekend? Right? Now we're going to change our vowel sound by closing it off. We closed it off. Now our vowel has to say ah. See? Open, O, closed, ah. Open, O, closed, ah. Right? Okay. Now let's sound it out. Sob. Say it fast. Sob. Yeah, we turned so into sob by having this vowel closed. So, sob. So, sob. Right? Good job. Let's try one more. Okay? Let's see what we have here. We have a single vowel, and the vowel is E. We want to know, what sound does E make today? So is this open or closed? Well, it's open. So it says E. Well, now that we know that it says E, we can sound out our word. Ready? She. Say it fast. She. She. Wow, it says she. She is my friend. Okay, now let's change the word. We changed the word by adding a consonant after the E. So that means we changed our vowel sound. This is still the vowel for our word, but now we look and it's closed off. Our E is closed. Because it's closed, it has to say its short sound, eh, right? It has to say eh. So now we can sound out our word now that we know what the vowel says. Let's practice. Shed. Do it again. Shed. Say it fast. Shed. That's right. This is the word shed. She owns a shed in the backyard. She likes to play in the shed. She shed. Good job practicing open and closed syllables with me.